Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best drawing tablets for architects in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. Our best pick is this tablet. If you are looking for a device that is both affordable and delivers more than expected, this is it. The drawing tablet is slim and sleek with its body design being 8mm thin and its body dimension ranging 7.9 by 6.3 inch. This is ergonomically friendly thanks to its right and left hand side compatibility. It also weighs 8.2 ounces, hence making it easy to carry it around. It features 4 large shortcut keys on top of the active area. These can be used to minimize tasks while working. You can also customize the shortcut keys and assign certain task functions that will streamline your workflow. The pen is battery-free and it has 4K pressure sensitivity, hence allowing you to have that pen on paper experience. The pen has a great grip and is ergonomic friendly, hence it can work for either left and right-handed people. It also has EMR control, which helps with precision and control while drawing. The best part about the pen is the comfort it provides while gripping. Number 2. Our second best pick is Huion Inspiroy H640p Graphics Drawing Tablet. This is ideal for beginners. It comes with a battery-free stylus pen with pressure levels of 8192. It is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android systems. It is another great choice when looking for a cheap drawing tablet that offers a great drawing experience. The drawing area of the tablet has a great texture which prevents your pen from slipping or losing any form of control. At the same time, it is actually quite smooth, hence your nibs will be safe. It comes with 6 customizable express keys. It also comes with a micro USB port. However, it's important to note that the cable itself bends upward, hence the design is meant for right-handed users. If you're left-handed, you'll have to flip the tablet and the cord will point toward you. It also has a lock switch which allows you to lock the express keys. This comes in handy for left-handed users as you can just lock it and you don't have to keep turning the tables around. Its stylus pen is Huion's first battery-free pen. It has a nice bulging shape at the bottom which provides grip while drawing. The pen is light and doesn't feel unbalanced when in use. Another great feature of the pen is its rubber grip, which no other pen except the Wacom Intuos Pro has. Number 3. Our third best pick is Huion H610 Pro V2 Graphic Drawing Tablet. This is a great choice for architects and designers on a budget. The tablet's pen has pressure sensitivity 8192 levels. The active drawing area gives off the feeling of drawing on paper due to its paper-like surface. It is compatible with Windows 7 or later and Mac 10.11 and higher. The Huion H610 Pro comes with 8 hard keys and 16 soft keys that can be customized. It offers some impressive features that cannot be found in other budget-friendly tablets. The pen is battery-free, hence taking out the challenge of having to replace or recharge the batteries. The pen also comes with 2 customizable side buttons, 1 touch eraser and a soft rubber pen cover which provides a smooth grip. The drawing tablet also comes with 8 extra pen tips for replacement if one wears out. The pen also supports plus or minus 60 levels of tilt recognition, is very light and has a hollow-like feeling. It also doesn't add any strain when drawing for hours. It is important to note that these tablet drivers must be installed properly for the shortcut keys to work well. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is XPPen Deco 01 V2 Digital Graphics Drawing Tablet. It delivers in both affordability and features. It comes with a battery-free pen with pressure sensitivity 8192 levels, hence giving you precision control. You can also customize both the pressure and sensitivity in the settings. The pen is quite accurate and feels well balanced when in use. It has 2 shortcut buttons that allow you to right or left click. You can also customize them. The best part about the pen is that it sketches like a real pen, making the drawing experience enjoyable. It is also easy to set up. It features minimalistic modern design and an ultra-slim profile, which makes it portable. The drawing tablet is compatible with most operating systems, including Windows July 8, 10 and Mac version 10.10 and higher. However, there is currently no support for Android or iOS. It also works with major design software like Illustrator and Photoshop. It comes equipped with a durable pen holder which allows you to store the pen in either a horizontal or upright position. The pen also has a hidden storage compartment that stores up to 8 extra pen nibs. Overall, this is a budget-friendly, easy-to-use and great model that offers just the right number of features. If you're looking for a drawing tablet for beginners, this would be a great option worth considering. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Parblo Coast 10.1-inch digital pen tablet. This is a great budget choice for beginner and intermediate artists. An interesting feature is that it can be powered solely by USB to the computer. It doesn't come with a power adapter that plugs into a wall, hence making it a great choice for moving around or traveling. It, however, does not come with any express key buttons, but the stylus pen does have buttons that can replicate your mouse. It's a great choice if you're looking for a drawing table with a bigger display and screen. It, however, takes quite some effort to configure. In terms of compatibility, PC users will have an easier time than Mac OS X users, even though it is compatible with major versions of OS. It features an ergonomic design that is convenient for both right and left-handed users. It also allows for comfort as you can use it on your lap or set up the back clips on the device, which allows for upright drawing. For the price, you not only get a drawing tablet with great features, but you also get a USB cable, lanyard, and a remote ring and a drawing glove. This helps reduce the friction between your hand and the table surface, allowing for comfortable drawing. It also comes in a free size, hence it can fit either hand. The glove is made of high elastic lycra and features strong tensile resistance and high air permeability. Another great inclusion is the portable 4-port USB 3.0 hub, hence affording your extra flexibility to plug in multiple devices. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.